everyone, we've got another Born Pretty haul today. So we've got this magic gel remover that Born Pretty has kindly sent over to us to try out. I'm not going to show it in this video, but keep your eyes peeled for a short that will be coming up soon with all of the details on how to use it. We've also got these beautiful cat eye gel that they've sent us. So all of the links to the products are going to be in the description. First of all, we have this lovely pink one. We're just going to get a swatch stick and we're going to pop that on. These gels are high pigmented, as you can see. Just with one coat, it covers most of the nail. So we're going to grab our magnet, which I've put upside down. Oops, still worked. And we're just going to move those particles to where we want them. Pop that in the lamp for a 60-second cure. And then we're going to go in with a second coat. Again, we're going to use the magnet just to pull and push the particles to where we want them to be. And then again, that's going to go in the lamp for a 60-second cure. And look at the shimmer on that. Beautiful. So here we have the second colour. Oh, this blue is just gorgeous. Again, we're going to get a swatch stick. We're going to apply the first coat. I have a discount code for Born Pretty, which you can apply at checkout with kizzy10. The link is also in the description, so why not bag yourself a discount and some money off today and go and have a look what goodies you can find over on their website. I go in with a second coat. And there we have our second colour. So for our third bottle, we have another blue. This one is slightly lighter than the other one. So the last blue was more of a royal blue. This one is paler. Still absolutely beautiful. Just making sure we've got a nice even coverage. Using our magnet again to place the particles where we want them to be. Popping in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then we're going to go in for our second coat. Born Pretty is one of my favourite gel polishes to use. The polishes are really high pigmented, and I find that, like other polishes, these ones last for a lot longer. And there we have our third colour. Now for our final one, we have this green. It's called Basil. I'm not normally too fond on greens, but this green is just magical. I'm never disappointed with a Born Pretty colour. They're just so gorgeous. I'm going to pop on a second coat. And there's our fourth colour. Don't forget to bag yourself a discount with Kizzy10. I really hope you've enjoyed watching today. Here's a final look at these beautiful colours. I can't wait to do my next set of nails using these. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!